Hey everyone, this is Mark Phillip at Studica, and today I'm going to be walking you through the installation process for IBM SPSS Modeler Premium version 18.1. I'm assuming you purchased the software through us at Studica, so these instructions will be catered to you. If you did not purchase the software through us, you can kind of ignore the first part of this video, but you'll want to make sure that you have your authorization code from the reseller that you did purchase from. So for those of you who purchased with us at Studica, the first thing we're going to want to do is go to our website at www.studica.com. And at the top right of the page, you'll see a My Account section. If you are not logged in currently, you'll see a Login button up here. So go ahead and click on My Account or Login. If you click on Login, just sign in with your account and you'll be brought to your dashboard. If you see My Account up here, click on it and choose My Dashboard. And then what you'll want to do is click up on the My Download section. And once you're in here, I don't have it for myself, but you should see your download listed for IBM SPSS Modeler, and there will be a link in there that will take you to this download page. Now, on this download page, we want to scroll down, and we only offer downloads for Mac and PC. I'm only doing this on a Windows PC because I don't have a Mac available to me, but the installation procedure is very similar between both systems. So on Windows, what we want to do is under the required download section, we're going to first download this file, IBM SPSS Modeler Client 64-bit 18.1, and we're also going to download the second file here for Client Premium. You do need both of these files to successfully install the software. You have to install the client first and then Premium afterwards. Now, I already had the files downloaded, and what you'll notice is that they come as zip files. Now, zip files are a little trickier. You have to actually extract the files before you can use them. So you see here that I have SPSS_mod_CLT_64B, etc. This is the first file that we want to use. This is the non-premium version. Your premium version has PR in the name. So what we want to do with this file here is right-click on it and choose Extract Files. If you do not have WinRAR installed, you should see an option that says Extract All, I believe, and it does the same thing. So click on Extract Files or Extract All, whatever you see there that says Extract, click on it, and you'll see a window that basically asks, where do you want to save these files? Just choose the default and click OK. Mine's already extracted, but what you'll see on your screen is basically it starts extracting these files. The files are rather large, so it could take your computer a while depending on your hardware, so be patient with it. Once it's done extracting, you'll have this folder for SPSS_mod_CLT_64B_18.1.1_win_ml. Go ahead and open up this folder, scroll all the way down, find the setup file. And yours might look a little different. I have file extensions on, but most people don't. So yours might just read setup. Mine reads setup.exe. Right click on this file and choose Run as Administrator. And you'll notice it starts to boot up. And we basically, at this point, it's very straightforward. We click Next, choose Next again, hit I accept, choose Next. I'm going to leave my file path default. I'm going to hit Next. I'm going to choose Install. And then it's going to begin the installation procedure. And again, depending on your computer, this may or may not take a little while. If you get a message like this, you can choose automatically close. I would actually recommend do not close. I'm choosing that because it wants to close my recording software. And at this point, we just wait for it to finish. Okay, once it's done installing, you'll be brought to the final menu. I recommend unchecking this box here because we're going to be installing the premium version and then clicking Finish. Choose No because we're going to restart later, and go back into your downloads folder and find the premium zip file that you downloaded. And again, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to right click on this, choose Extract Files, and we're just going to leave it default, click OK. And again, this may take a while depending on your computer, but once it's done extracting, a folder should open up, which will be this folder. And again, we're going to scroll down, find the setup file, and we're going to right click on that and choose Run as Administrator. The premium bit actually installs a little bit quicker. It's not as large as the first part, so this should go faster. Again, we're going to click Next. I accept the license agreement. Next. I'm going to leave this default, hit next, and then we're going to install. Once it's done installing, you'll see this window. You can click on finish. And if it asks you to reboot, again, choose no. Now at this point, we just need to activate the software. So you're going to need your authorization code for this. If you don't have your authorization code, you can go back into your account dashboard and choose the My Orders tab up here. And then on the My Orders tab, you'll be shown what you had purchased and ordered, and you can, depending on the product you purchased, you should also see an authorization code listed here. So you'll want to grab that authorization code. Just for your reference, the code should be 20 characters long, and it should consist of letters and numbers. So once you have that code, we're going to go ahead and go into the Start menu, and we're going to type License Authorization Wizard. And we're going to choose this License Authorization Wizard that shows up here, and we're going to right click on this and choose Run as Administrator. It is possible that you do not see that show up in your Start menu. If that is the case, you'll want to do this. Go to your Start menu, type this PC, and open up this PC. Go into your C drive, go into Program Files, go into IBM SPSS Modeler 18.1, go into the bin folder, and then scroll down until you see a file called law. And then you can right click on this, choose Run as Administrator, and it will open the License Manager for you. So you'll be presented with this screen when it opens. Go ahead and click Next. We're going to leave this option set, the default option. We're going to hit next. And then in here, you're just going to put your code in. So you can either type that out, or I recommend just copy and pasting it so you don't get any errors. And then when you click next, it should authorize and say it succeeded, at which point your software is good to go. I also want to mention that you need an internet connection for this. So if you do have an error pop up at this point, you'll want to make sure you're connected to an internet connection. So I'm going to back out of this. Now, once you're activated, you might also notice that there is no icon on your desktop for Modeler. This is just the way Windows 10 does things, apparently. So what you'll want to do is go to your Start menu and type in IBM SPSS Modeler, and you'll see an application for IBM SPSS Modeler 18.1. You can either open it just by clicking on this, or if you want to make a quick access for it, you can right click on this and choose Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar. If you pin to Taskbar, you'll see it show up down here at the bottom of your screen, and then you can just click on that and open the program. I do recommend you restart your computer at this point to make sure everything installs properly and there's no issues, and you should be good to go. Now that the software is installed and activated, you should be good to go, and your license should be good for as long as you purchased for. So with that being said, if you do have any issues with the process, you can contact Studica support at ibm-support@studica.com, and we can get back to you. Again, that's only for Studica customers. If you purchase with someone else, we will not be able to help you. So with that being said, hope you have a great day, and thank you.